Exercise 32, page 64, question 16. Now we have a situation in reverse to the ones we were just looking at in a way. I've got a t squared term in here. So finally I want to end up with t squared equals something and then square root to get rid of that. But that has a consequence that we'll discuss. We'll look at an example similar, and you can have a go at one in the textbook. So treat it like an ordinary equation initially, get x squared on its own. And so multiplying both sides by 3, I get 27 equals x squared. And then I have to square root both sides. X squared equals 27, so x equals the square root of 27. So you get your calculator out and work out what the square root of 27 is. And it turns out to be about 5.196. However, we need to think about this for a minute, because if I take a number, if I take my 5.196 and square it, that's going to give me near enough 27. But if I take negative 5.196 and square it, minus times a minus always gives a plus, so that too will give me 27. So when I'm square rooting 27, here, when I'm square rooting 27, I don't know whether or not the number that I square to get 27 is positive or negative. So in the end, I have to give my answer as plus or minus. So whenever I square root a number, there's always two possibilities. It could be positive or negative. So x equals plus or minus 5.196. Now have a go at the one in the textbook.